it just surprises me that there wouldn't be some sort of like clawback on that signing. So like they would give that offer as you're coming up into your second year for example, like during your bonus.
There is, just to answer your question.
Okay. Yep. So you have to give it back if you leave before you do a year or something like that.
I think when the first year it was a 12 month. If you finished 12 months, there was no clawback. Now I think they've done 24 months.
Ooh.
And I think it's prorated. So if you stay for 6 months, you only pay back 75%.
Got it.
If that makes sense. But it's interesting, right? Like they found that even banking compensation, which is higher than most private equity, and then they can give you cash up front in this bonus, and all these things. Like kids aren't staying for pay; like they're actually going for the experience. And the learning curve is kind of most important.